Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. Hope you guys are having a great week so far. Today is October the 2nd. We have made it to day number 158 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. Now, if you don't know what I'm talking about in this video, guys, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank. We're using a service called My Legion Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a full-time income doing so within 1 year of doing this method, guys. All right. So go back and watch these previous videos so you can kind of get up to speed on where we started and where we are now. All right. So we've made it to day number 158, 158. Let's go ahead and hop right into this video. If you guys don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 business opportunity leads every single day. So every day you come into your back office, you're going to see either 100 or 200 leads. Okay. Now, what separates the two is going to determine on how many accounts that you have. All right. Now, the cool thing about My Legion Secret is they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay. So you can get as many accounts as you like. All right. Now, if you only have one account, then you're only going to get 100 leads. Okay. But if you sign up under yourself and get another account, okay, you're going to have 200 leads on one and then 100 leads on your last account. And when you get a sign up or if you sign up underneath yourself, you'll get another 200 leads for that second account. And then that third account will now have the 100 leads. So in all, you'll have 500 leads every day that you're going to get. Okay. Every single day. Okay. Which is pretty cool. So, that's why I advise you guys to get multiple accounts in order to start seeing results, a lot faster. Okay. Now, just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with My Legion Secrets over 3 years now, going on 3.5 years. Okay. I totally love the service. I mean, I've been paying for it for a long time. Um, you know, it's just been working for me, guys. I've promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. Okay. I've gotten paid from My Legion Secrets. I've gotten paid from ClickBank and other, networks, CPA networks that are out there. All right. So I just wanted to basically just let you guys in on that. Okay. Let you know that this stuff does work. The only thing is that this is cold traffic. Okay. So this is not, hot solo ad traffic that, you can go purchase, somebody's list and get instant sales and stuff like that right away. This is cold traffic. This is something that you're going to have to warm up these individuals to basically earn their trust to where they trust you to look at what you're doing, and then to eventually sign up with you, subscribe to whatever it is that you're trying to promote, and then eventually purchase from you. Okay. So this is not a, get rich quick scheme or anything like that. You're not going to be able to come in here and send out an email and then, make, $200 or $300 by tomorrow. Okay. It just doesn't work that way. So, what you want to do is basically you want to come up with good emails, and then you want to, you know, find a affiliate platform such as ClickBank, right? Or Warrior Plus, JVZoo. There's tons of different affiliate networks that you can go and you can use their offers. Okay. Now, one thing about this traffic, guys, these people, these are business opportunity leads. Okay. Business opportunity subscribers. So every day, when you're getting those 200 fresh new leads, these people care about making money online and they want somebody to show them how to make money. Okay. And it's our job as affiliate marketers. We are just the middleman. We basically go out and find these offers and we create the emails. We send the emails to this traffic and we insert our affiliate link in the email. That way, when someone reads this email, they click on the link, it takes them to our affiliate page. Our affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. Okay. So there's going to be two popular ways to earn income with My Legion Secret. Number one is to promote My Legion Secret itself. Okay. You can literally come in here to the affiliates tab and you go to the promos tools here. And what you could do is you can come down here and there's going to be some bonus leads right here. Okay. So, bonus emails. So you're going to be able to send these emails out. Okay. And these are populated to promote the My Legion Secret program. Okay. So you can literally just come down and start from email number 1 and come all the way down here to email number 10 and send out all of these emails. Okay. And then you can promote the service and make money with My Legion Secrets. Okay. So if you just want to, start My Legion Secret and just promote My Legion Secret, the system, you can do that and you can make money that way. Okay. Because there's tons of people doing that alone. So pretty much all you would have to do is, come here, and if you want to start with these emails that are already here, these are already known to convert. So you just click on this where it says import affiliate email. So we'll just do that. Just click on that. It's going to take you to the mailing system where we send out all of our emails. You click on select all. That's going to transfer your emails over so that way you can send out one email blast and it's going to go out to however many people that you have in that list. Okay. What it does, it populates the subject line for you already. Okay. And then also it already populates the text here for you. All right. So all you have to do, just scroll down. And as you can see, we have our affiliate link right here. Just click on perfect timing. And then all we have to do is come down here and click send. We just sent out an email for the My Legion Secret. Okay. And once people, read the email, they're interested, they click on your link, it's going to take them to our landing page. And then our landing page is going to do all the selling and telling for us. And once someone signs up, you're going to get a commission, right? It's super easy to do. All right. So the other way, and also too, I just wanted to say real quick, you can send out one email every 24 hours. Okay. I like to send out my emails at night. Okay. That works best for me. You can send out your emails at any time. Some people send them out early in the morning, like when they first wake up, afternoon, whatever. But I just, find it for myself and my experience that sending them at night works best for me. Okay. So that's one way to make money with My Legion Secret. Okay. Now the other way the other popular way to make money with My Legion Secret is by using a affiliate network. Okay. That has business opportunity offers. Okay. Since these people are worried about, they want to make money, we go out and go to a network that provides business opportunity offers. Okay. So what we do is we go grab a business opportunity offer from preferably a place called ClickBank or Warrior Plus. Either one of those work really good. Okay, you can go to the e-business e-marketing section and you can grab one of those offers and you can send an email to this traffic with that affiliate link, and people will, click on your link, subscribe, and purchase from you. Okay, so there's going to be 3 ways that you can send out an email. Number one is going to be just write an email yourself. Find the affiliate offer that you want to use that affiliate link, insert it into your email. Okay, that's one. Number two is by using an email service, email AI service, or some kind of chat GPT service or something like that, to create the emails for you. Okay, you can basically tell it what kind of email you want it to write according to your affiliate link. And number three is using the free email swipes that are from the vendor. Okay. So when you go to sign up for clickbank.com, it's free to sign up at clickbank.com. In the e-business e-marketing section, they have about 4 or 5 different offers, okay, that you can go promote. And these offers have free email swipes. Okay. These email swipes convert like crazy. Okay. So you can pretty much go grab those free emails, copy them over and paste them into the system, and then insert your affiliate link and then click send. Okay. Now, once you do that, magic happens, guys. You're going to get clicks, you're going to get, subscribers, and you're going to get sales. Okay. You just have to come in and do it every single day. That's the thing. You have to get this list warmed up to the offer on what you're doing. These people at least have to see this offer at least 7 to 10 times before someone actually starts to subscribe with you and starts to buy from you. Okay. So that's the algorithm with this traffic. So you have to send out emails every single day. Okay. Now, if you go grab one of those emails from the free offers, they're going to look something like this. Okay, they're going to have a subject line there for you, and then they're also going to have a body of text. And then right here at the bottom, they have a clickable link. Okay, so you would turn that clickable link, you would turn this sentence into a clickable link. Someone clicks on it, it takes them over to your affiliate page. and then your affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for you on whatever that offer is. And then, that person will go into that funnel and then they will purchase. Okay. Now, if they don't purchase, the emails, the offers, what's so cool about these offers, they already have a built-in email follow-up sequence. Okay. So that person is going to get hit with emails every single day until they sign up. And once they sign up, you get the credit for it. Okay. So this is a powerful tool. Okay, guys. And this is a very powerful method. Okay. And I recommend you guys getting signed up today. All right. So I just wanted to show you real quick how to do that, how to send out an email, what it will look like, and all that good stuff. All right. So I sent out my emails last night. Everyone, everybody knows by now if you're watching these videos, I like to send out my emails at night. So I did send out some emails last night, and I just wanted to show you guys the results and what we got from yesterday's email. All right. So let's go and go over here to ClickBank. This is clickbank.com. If you go here, you can sign up for a free account. It doesn't cost you a dime to sign up. Okay, it takes about 5 minutes, to sign up, okay, and get your account activated. Now, once you get your account activated, you can create you a user ID and you can start promoting some of these offers in the e-business e-marketing section for free. Okay. So the only thing that you have to pay for is your traffic. Okay, you pay for your traffic and you use the lead. You use the offers for free. Okay, so this is my back office. I do have multiple ClickBank accounts because I do have other stuff that I'm doing online. Obviously, this is not my only source of income. I have multiple sources of income, guys. So I have other stuff that I do to make money. But this is one thing that I do. This is just, some chump change that you can, use to maybe pay some extra bills, maybe put gas in your car, food on the table, rent, mortgage, whatever. It can help with anything. Okay. Anything that you kind of need in life. Okay. And who doesn't need the extra money? Right. So this is what I like to do is I like to show you the past 30 days of what we're doing. That way you can see the algorithm and you can see how this stuff works. Okay. You can see if you're having a period where you're not making money, or making money every day. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys the last 30 days. Today is October the 2nd. Just that way you know this account is real. Okay. Whereas today's the 2nd. Okay. And you just want to come down here, guys. Now, right here is you're going to be able to see my back office. And this is the past 30 days, guys. It's okay, right? It's been pretty consistent as far as the algorithm. As you can see, we've been making sales like 3 days in a row. You may go 2 days in a row without a sale, and then right here we come back in back to back and make the sale, right, or rebuild. Okay, and we may skip a day where we don't make anything, and then 2 days we make some make commissions. 2 days in a row right here, we don't get a commission right here, and then 2 days right there. Okay, right here we got 2 days again, but then we came back. This has been the first time where we received 4 sales in a row. Okay, now what this tells me is that since we're still in month number 5, that we're starting to see a shift in sales in the algorithm. Okay, we're starting to move a little bit closer and get and bridge these sales a little bit closer together. All right, so this is actually a good sign. Okay, when we start getting 3 sales in a row, that was a good sign. But now we're moving to 4 sales in a row. Okay, now next, what we're going to be looking for is 5 sales in a row. Okay, once we get those 5 sales, then you know what's going next. 6 days, 6 sales in a row, and then you know what happens after that, right? We're going to start getting sales 7 days a week. Okay. So right now we got 4 sales right here, but right here, as you can see, we went 3 days without getting a sale. Okay. Now this hasn't happened in a very long time. This hasn't happened since the beginning of the series. Okay. When we were getting sales maybe here and then one like, next week or something like that. Okay. But right now the algorithm is getting a little bit closer. This gap right here has been the furthest that I've seen it in a while. But on that 4th day, we came back and we got a sale. Okay, we're back in business, back in the game. Okay, the next day we didn't get a sale, but look, we got another 4-day sale period. Okay, where we got sales 4 days in a row. Okay, the next day we didn't get a sale, but today we did earn a commission. All right, so we made money today. I believe we also got a free trial sign up as well today. And that will be paid out in 3 days. Okay. Now, the cool thing about this offer that one of the offers that I'm promoting on ClickBank is that this offer has a rebill every single month where the customer gets billed every single month for the program. Okay. They sign up for a free trial. Okay. We don't get paid off the dollar trial, but in 3 days, the customer gets billed for the program and they get billed and we keep $20 of the commission. Okay. They get billed like $28 and the vendor lets us keep $20 of it. Pretty much 85% of the commission. Okay. Which is really good. Okay. So the whole idea here, guys, once they sign up for that free trial and they get billed on that third day, they also get billed the next month on the same day. Okay. So say for instance, somebody, signed up 3 days ago, they got billed today, October 2nd. On November 2nd, they're going to get billed again for the program another $28, and we get to keep 20 of that. Right. So basically, we do the work one time, and then the customer gets billed over and over and over again for months and months. Okay. And the whole idea, the whole method to this madness, guys, is to get multiple people signing up for free trials and get multiple people getting billed for the program each month. Okay. That way you're going to see the $40 days, the $60 days, $80 days, $100 days, right? But that comes with time, okay, and that comes with dedication on sending these emails out every single day, okay. I've already done this method before, okay. I'm actually for the first time coming to talk about it as of right now, so I can kind of tell you, by looking into the future on what will happen. Okay, eventually we're going to start getting sales every single day. Okay, but right now, I took you from day number one, starting with the new offer that I have not been promoting. Okay, we started fresh from a brand new offer, and we're going to carry it out for 12 months. Okay, and we're going to see how much money that we can make with this offer. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. I wanted to show you the algorithm. Wanted to show you just the past sales that we got for the last 30 days. You can see the algorithm here, guys, has been pretty consistent. We've been making sales here and there. Some of these sales, like I said, are back to back, 4 days right here, and then another 4 days right here. So we're starting, instead of these 3 days showing up, these 2 days, we're starting to see 4 days in a row. Okay. And that's what we want. We want to see 4 days in a row. All right. And that way we can do this for a little while, for a week or two, and then we can get to 5 days. Okay. And then once it gets to 5 days, it's going to start going 6 days. Okay. And then you may not get a sale the next day, but then that next day, you're going to get a sale. May not get a sale the next day, but then you may come back and hit another 6 day sale. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys that. If you guys want to get started, guys, come down below this video. All right, and click on this More tab and click on this tiny URL, MLGS True Freedom. It's going to take you to the landing page here for the My Legion Secret System. As you can see, you come down here. Now, I'm not the only one earning income with this method, okay? There's tons of people making money with My Legion Secrets, and I just wanted to show you guys, these are some of the testimonials. I'm not the only one, okay? So this is what I wanted to show you guys, like, go ahead and get started, guys. There's no reason for you guys not to get started today. Go right here, click on join MLGS now. It's a one-time small charge of $60, 60 bucks, $30 a month to keep the service. It's a no-brainer. Okay. I've been doing it for a few years, guys. Take my word for it. This stuff works. All right. So get started today. Sign up under my link. I do have some special emails that I have available for you guys if you want them. If not, no biggie. If you don't sign up under, no biggie. Okay. I'm still going to come here. I'm still going to, show you guys how to do it. And I'm still going to, make money on my side. Okay. Now, if you want to make money with me, just join under my link. Let me know that you have joined, and I'll send you some emails out. Send you quite a few emails that you can use. And basically what you would do is you would just use those emails over and over and over again. Okay. And you're going to watch your income build up. All right. So I'm going to end this video on that note. I'm going to come back here tomorrow. And we'll go over the results from tonight because I sent them my emails tonight. So I'll see you guys tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.